Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to shopping center mall. So they just opened today and I am going to pick up my Louis Vuitton order. So let's just see if it is just like, well, I don't know. They didn't say if it's a curbside order, no, curbside pickup, or I could really literally go inside this store. So let's do it, guys.
Those dreams at night, oh, it can happen. Don't count stars or you might stumble. Somebody drops that sign and down the tumble.
So guys, I was able to pick up my order. There is a lot of people, actually there's a lot of people inside. There is a line in every boutique. There's a line in Gucci, there is a line in Louis Vuitton, of course. I think Chanel were still closed. Dior, they're open. I'm not sure if they have a line. Hermes too. And Coach bags, they're closed. What else? Lacoste, I think. Yeah, I think they're still closed. Victoria's Secret, I think they're closed. And yeah, I think pretty much they're still like they're slowly opening some of the stores. But of course, Louis Vuitton is open, and I was able to pick up my online purchase to pick up at the store. And here it is, guys. Here it is. This is a Louis Vuitton. I am going to open it here. So I have here the box. This is a really nice box. I don't remember I have this type of box before. So let's see what else. Oh, she gave me a card. She gave me a card, and it says here Louis Vuitton and some. Oh, this is so lovely. Look at that. It has a beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so let's open this one first. See what I got. So here it is. So here is. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, I finally got a blue color in my collection. So this is a sunglasses case from the Escale collection. So this was released probably a month ago. I'm not really sure. And I've been wanting to get something like blue and on the Escale collection, but I couldn't get a hold of it. I was able to pre-order. It's because the client service is saying that they could not pre-order it. So I did the same thing. I kept stalking the website every single day until I was able to place this one in my cart and order it. So I chose to pick up in the store, so at least I'll be able to get a chance to look other stuff, so what they have available. And she said that I got lucky on this one because this were sold out. So let's take a look at what. Okay, this is a sunglasses case. Pretty much, you put your sunglasses inside. So here is let me just take this one out. So this one is this is one in a silver hardware, if you could see that. It says here engraved Louis Vuitton. What else? So this one is made in Paris, France, made in France. And it says here SF 1280. So this was made on the 18th week of 2020. And the inside has a microfiber lining. It's really, really soft. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This one is made up of, this is in the monogram canvas. And of course, this one is made up of leather over here. And this one has glazing though. So the corner on each sides. On this corner, it has glazing all the way. No, not there. All the way over here in the flap. So it has glazing, but I think the glazing were set up really well. I didn't see any problems so far. So this corner here has a thick glazing. On this side also, So it is such a beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Blue is so lovely. So this is just like one piece of canvas. So if you close it like that, then yeah, this is like the one piece of canvas. Just like that. You can put your sunglasses inside. And this is such a great addition to my collection. The lovely touch of blue. And this one's retailed, I think $565 if I am not mistaken. And yeah, I want to place an order because there is a rumor saying that there is going to be a price increase today, effective today, but not all of those canvas that they have. Like, they're probably like selected canvas bags that were increased on the prices. So that's pretty much, yeah. So today I was able to there's a perfume. Yeah, I got a sample of this. Is the California Dream, and this one smells really good though. I love the smell of this one. Oh, I thought you gave me two California Dream, but this one is not the Apogee. No, this, yeah, the California Dream. That is such a lovely scent. Well, anyways, by looking at it, this one is, I was just checking before heading home if there's any flaws. Like sometimes, like, you know, I mean, this was released a month ago, so pretty much there's a possibility that this is a return, or there's a possibility that this is defective. But so far, looking at the hardware over here, you could hardly see any wear, of course, because even if it's new, of course, you know, you open it, you close it, and open it, so pretty much you're gonna get some scratches around the hardware. But so far I didn't see any flaws just by looking at it. The glazing was perfectly done so far. I didn't see any. So let's see if there is some sort of, let's just take a look at the corner, because sometimes, like, yeah, I think this is just normal for this particular collection, that the glazing of the corner over on this corner went over the canvas. So you could tell that it was actually not done cleanly. So it wasn't really like, let me see. Well, it's not a big of a deal. Yeah, because some people are complaining that with the Escale collection, that the glazing was, let me see. Yeah, the glazing was actually, it was perfect, perfect around here. I didn't see that they put too much like on the corner. It's just like overlap on the side, the glazing over here. So they're saying that some parts of the glazing like went over towards the canvas, and pretty much, and the stitching on this one is actually, the stitching is lovely. It's pretty straight, and yeah, pretty much the stitching on this one is impeccable, because the one that I have, a reverse monogrammic card holder, the stitching for that one is terrible stitching. But so far on this, a quick glance, the stitching is beautiful. Yeah, no problem at all. But I don't know, for some reason, yeah, this one bothers me a little bit. There's a line. There's a line over here. It just bothers me a little bit for some reason. That is some sort of like an additional extra cushion. Let me just close it, open it. But you know what, guys? I did not intentionally get this to put my sunglasses. I intentionally get this to put my cards, to put some lipstick on, and some cosmetics. So that's that's what I'm gonna be using this one for. So I just love that color blue. Oh my goodness. I was so happy I finally able to get this one. And I will be adding, definitely, this is gonna be such a, let me see. I'm still looking at the quality so far. It is great. It looks perfect, I think. It looks perfect, I think. So, yeah, pretty much. Yeah, it is perfect. I love it. Such a beautiful, beautiful touch of blue. Well, it kind of matches my jacket though. Okay. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.